Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Nutcracker Tags Kit. This kit provides everything you need to create 12 nutcracker-shaped tags that add a nostalgic touch to any Christmas gift. This kit features exclusive illustrations in traditional Christmas colors, and the printed sentiments come in English, German, French, and Dutch. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I am loving the gold accents on these tags and excited to add them to my gifts this season. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!